Hello everyone, welcome to Workbook. The question is, the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8 and for the subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare as rupees y, write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. It's given that for the first kilometer the fare is rupees 8 and for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer. For example, a person got into a taxi and went from one place to another place. Say the total distance which he travelled was around 5 kilometers. For the first kilometer the fare will be rupees 8 and for the rest 4 kilometers the fare will be 5 rupees per kilometer. Next it is given taking the distance covered is x kilometer. Therefore the total distance is equal to x kilometer and total fare as rupees y. Therefore total fare is rupees y. Fare of taxi for the first kilometer is rupees 8. Taxi fare for the subsequent kilometers is rupees 5. This is what was given in the question. With the help of this, let's form an equation. The total distance is x, but the first kilometer has to be excluded because in the first kilometer the fare is 8 rupees. Therefore, the subsequent distance will be the total distance, that is x, excluding the first kilometer, that is minus 1. So this is our subsequent distance. Subsequent distance fare is rupees 5. So we multiply the subsequent distance by 5. So into 5. Now we have found out only the subsequent distance. We have to add the first kilometer's rate. That is nothing but rupees 8. So plus 8. So this is nothing but we are calculating the total fare and total fare is y. So this is our equation. Now let's simplify this equation. It becomes 8 plus 5 into x is 5x minus 5 is equal to y. Therefore 3 plus 5x is equal to y is our equation. So x is the distance and y is the fare. We need to substitute x value in this equation. So let's take x value is 0. So x is equal to 0. So 3 plus 5 into 0 is equal to y. So 3 is equal to y. So y's value will be 3. That is rupees 3. And when x is 1, the person has travelled 1 kilometer. So x is equal to 1. 3 plus 5 into 1 is equal to y. 3 plus 5 is equal to y. So 8 is equal to y. So when the person has travelled 1 kilometer, the fare will be 8. Now let's take x value as 2. X is equal to 2. So 3 plus 5 into 2 is equal to y. So 3 plus 10 is equal to y. So 13 is equal to y. Person has travelled 2 kilometers, the fare will be 13 rupees. And let's take x is equal to 3. So when x is equal to 3, 3 plus 5 into 3 is equal to y. So 3 plus 15 is equal to y. 18 is equal to y. So y's value will be 18. Now we'll have to plot this in a graph. So this is the graph. The x-axis will be the distance and the y-axis will be the fare. Now let's see 0, 3. When distance is 0, fare will be 3. That is this point over here. 0, 3. And when x is 1, y is 8. When x is 1, y is 8. Over here. 1, 8. And when x is 2, y is 13. It will be somewhere over here. 2, 13. And when x is 3, y is 18. It will be somewhere over here. 3, 18. Now let's connect these points. And this line is called 3 plus 5x is equal to y curve. I hope you understood this explanation. Thank you.